Today I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on an Acer Aspire E5-576 series. The first step is turn off your laptop. After that, you're going to want to remove this plastic covering. It works well if you have nails or something that can get in between. It takes a little bit of force to pop it off, and then you're going to want to pull up on that part. We'll put this to the side. The next step that you're going to want to do is to remove the 4 screws in the corners using a screwdriver similar to this. Put them to the side where they won't fall on the ground, because that would be unfortunate to have to search for them. These bottom ones like to fall into these little hole areas, so make sure that you have some tweezers on hand in case that happens. Okay, after that we're going to take the screen out. I have already removed the tape that is most likely on your screen because I needed to replace the ribbon, so you'll probably have to take that part off. In the back there's some tape holding the ribbon in place, and you'll just slide it out. It should be pretty easy. I'll place that to the side. Next step is to attach the ribbon to the new screen. Should just slide right in. Put the tape down, and we're going to put it in place. Now we're going to put the screws back into place. Alright, next step is to remove the protective film. Put that there. Now we're going to put the plastic covering back on. Should just snap in place. And then finally turn on the laptop. Seems to be working. And mine only worked at certain angles, but it appears that it's now working at other angles as well. And that's how you replace your laptop screen.